it motivates me more than ever.
Basically, 3M came in and the heart of America, and everything is brand new. None of this is what we had before. It's been so great for us. We're so excited to move into here. Everything's so modular now. We can roll things around. They put everything on wheels. They moved all the electrical, the pneumatics, so they're easy to work with.
It just leads us to be more productive, gives us a faster way to get more things done, and allow our creativity and our free time to expand wild and do other things as well.
This sort of significant contribution helps us bridge that gap between what we would be able to put in there and what is more real-time reflection of the workplace.
This area is so invested in manufacturing, and as such, the need for skilled trade is evident across all manufacturing platforms. So we together are partnering to advance that and help these students be successful in that environment.
We can partner with them and collaborate with them and hopefully get the students to that point to where they can go straight from here out into the workforce or college, then to the workforce.
This is called an automation station. Coming out of high school with all of this being handed to us, us being able to learn more with this equipment, it just gives us a higher advantage. It's motivating. It's so motivating. I'm so excited.